Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video from QGIS tutorial. Today I will show you how to estimate NDVI using QGIS software. In order to do this, first I'm going to download Landsat 8 data from USGS Earth Explorer. Then I will use band 5 and 4 near infrared and red one for this purpose. Okay, let's start. First of all, from my browsers, I will search for USGS Earth Explorer. You need to log in. You have already an account. You can choose your study area. By clicking on the targeted area, you can choose and select your study area. From here, you can see that all selected points appears here. From data range, I'm gonna input a specific day for my study area. For example, 1st of August. Until the end of August. The next step, from dataset, I'm gonna look for Landsat data. There's two different collections. I'm gonna use level 2 since some atmospheric correction have been done on this data. Here I'm activating Landsat 8. Could be some let's say maintenance regarding this data, but it's successfully uploaded, as you can see from here. Here I can check which data is appropriate for my purpose, then I can download that one. Here I can see that this is without color almost. There is less cover cloud percentage. This one. Okay, by clicking on download, and from product option, here I can download Landsat 8 data. It's gonna take a while in order to download these data. Okay, here I can define a folder on my desktop. I give it name. Then here we can save. It's gonna take a while since the file is 1 gigabyte almost. As you can see, it's successfully downloaded. Right now I'm going to the target folder. I need to extract it. since it's a zip file. Okay, as you can see, it's successfully extracted. Right now I'm going to use band 5 and also band 4 near infrared and also red bands. I'm gonna back to my QGIS environment. From open data source, raster, go to the folder, Landsat 8, and just I need to import band 4 and band 5. Okay, very good. Right now I have 2 bands that are necessary for estimating NDVI for Landsat 8. There's an easy way for this purpose. From here, from raster, I can look for raster calculator. And from raster calculator, I need to input the formula here. In order to know how NDVI index is working, here I can search for NDVI. And as you can see, easy formula for this index. It's very useful for vegetation monitoring and for Landsat 8 and 9. NDVI is the difference between band 5 and band 4. I'm gonna apply this formula in the QGIS environment. Okay, I need to open a bracket. From here, this is band 5. Subtract band 4. Divided. Again, open the bracket. Band 5. This time plus band 4. Again. From output layer, I'm gonna define a folder from Landsat. I'm saying that NDVI, save. Here I can define the format. I'm gonna use GeoTIFF, that it's appropriate for this purpose. By clicking on OK, it's gonna give me NDVI index. Okay, very good. As you can see, it's successfully estimated. The areas that with highest brightness indicates highest vegetation, and this area with lowest brightness indicates water and also low NDVI index, NDVI values. Okay, until now it's okay. Right now I'm gonna give it a color. Okay, very good. Okay, in this video I estimated NDVI using Landsat 8 data in the QGIS environment. Hope the content of this video will be useful for you. If you like this video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.